So starting the test drive in this lifted Ram, you know, it doesn't ride as smooth as, you know, a typical Ram would. It has a lift kit. You have these bigger tires, bigger wheels, but it's still, you know what you're getting when you get one of these trucks. If it's lifted, it's gonna ride a certain type of way, it's gonna drive a certain type of way. That's what you get here. Still more secure than getting an aftermarket kit, I think. But, you know, that's for you to decide when you test drive one. Now, what I like about these trucks is it really does give you an aftermarket feel, like a custom truck, while you're still covered under a warranty. So you get that 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Rocky Ridge, which is great to have if for whatever reason you have premature failure on whatever. It's not like you're paying for this package and then all of a sudden your SOL if something were to go out because the dealer or the manufacturer wouldn't cover it. So I like that about the Rocky Ridge packages in general. But they're really neat trucks. And for $100,000, if you want something like this, a lot of people would pay 100 grand for, you know, basically you buy this truck stock and then you go somewhere else, buy all the mods and whatever, and then you don't have that warranty that covers everything that the package includes. So I like that about these. Also easier to finance if, you know, you're like most Americans and you want to finance your vehicle. That way you're not having to shell out 20, 25 grand in cash to do all these mods over time. You can just have it already done for you. The truck's ready to go and you can just lump it into your payment. You don't have to put on a credit card and all that. But again, it is a lifted truck, so when I go over bumps and things of that nature, I'm feeling pretty much everything. Doesn't bother me, but it's just not, it's not a typical pickup truck feel. But if you drop lifted trucks again, you know what you're getting. This will probably be one of the best driving lifted trucks you've ever had if you do everything aftermarket. But overall, I mean, this has the 5.7 V8 with e-torque. So when you go over, let's say, a bridge or whatever, and you want to floor it, you have that instant torque, and then you're able to really give it throttle, as opposed to not having that low end torque because it is a naturally aspirated V8. You don't have turbos and all of that. But I like just how it performs with that. You have the sport mode as well to really take it to that next level. So I'm gonna take it on the interstate here. Of course, this rain is just getting on my last nerves going in and out. So I'm gonna give it the best pull I can. Probably wait to get around this corner just to be safe. And luckily no one's behind me. Here we go. So I mean, pretty quick. Now I want to give one more huge thanks to Franklin Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Franklin, Tennessee for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, for this to be basically a 100 grand truck, it has a niche market. You know, here in this area, there are a lot of wealthy people that just want to have something fun. They want a pickup truck that turns heads, that sits higher than everybody else. And that's why these sell so well in this area. I think personally, you know, I probably like this better, and this is just my own preference. I would like this better stock. I love the features. Honestly, I'd probably even like the light package, but me personally, just the lift, the wheels and tires and all that, I think is a bit much for me. So I'd be okay with the stock 20s, even some 22s, a lower profile, and you know, still have all of the features here, even the Rocky Ridge features. But the lift and all of that, which is where most of the money comes in for this, I'd be okay without. But love the exhaust sound, definitely got to have that. But having a truck like this, I mean, it's fun to have. It's quick. It's just, again, it's a taste that you've got to be in the mood for. If you love lifted trucks, you will not be disappointed by this thing. It's fun. Again, it's quick, and it's different as well. It's a head turner, and again, if you like these kind of things, you will not be disappointed at all. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Ram 1500 Rocky Ridge.